Right now, if it's UGC content you are looking for, then you're in the right place, because this company I'm about to show you, I've used this for multiple businesses of mine. It incorporates human and AI technology, and honestly, when I show you some of the videos, you're not going to be able to tell whether it's a human actually doing the video or if it's these AI. Now, what these also add is an added twist of doing the editing and the managing for you. Now, I'm going to show you some proven results. I'm going to show you some testimonials, even some videos and an Instagram profile that has been using this from the beginning, and they're on over 12,000 followers. Now, let's cut to the chase and dive straight in. Right now, this is UGCTeam.io. Okay, so what you can see here is some of the little clips with the edits. These will stop the scroll. These will keep you active. These will basically draw your attention to them as well. I promise you, if you see one of these pop up on your feed, you're stopping to watch, because it's a lot going on. In the human brain, we have to stay focused, okay? But this promises real creativity drives the viral content. Now, whether it's TikTok or it's Snapchat or Facebook, Instagram, any of like that, they can do it all. Now, it's featured in multiple different publications. So if we were to take a quick look, even at Digital Journal, you can see that the UGCTeam.io launches innovative social media video creation platform combining AI and human talent. You can see that some of them are human, some of them are AI. And let's be honest, if you reckon you can guess, let me know down in the comments, and I'll let you know if you're correct or if you're not. Obviously, it goes exactly through what UGC Team are all about. Now, they've made over 18,000 videos made with a combined total of 7.8 billion views. Now, as we go down, you can see, like I've mentioned already, human creativity, scalable campaigns, and they have a personal service with a dedicated in-house team. Ensures that your next viral video is just one conversation away. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below, and let's jump back into the video. So, as promised, I'll show you one of these videos. I can randomly pick one. For example, if we were to pick this one here, and it goes through as it loads and shows you, click on it. This is the sort of creativity it gets.
Or expensive. With Lead Sniper, you can scrape thousands of targeted leads from...
There we go. As you can see, it has multiple different edits. It has a creator on there. Whether that's human or AI, you let me know down in the comments. But it gives you multiple different publications, so many different creativities, so many different creators creating those videos for you. Now, obviously, you're going to be thinking, why them? So UGC Team is the comprehensive creative toolkit your brand has been waiting for. Human creatives, so everyday affordability, 60% cheaper than the competitors. Content delivery, 7 to 15 days on average. Now, the UGC Team transforms your conversion rates. Now, these are some of the biggest companies in the industry. Now, the video we just saw was Lead Sniper. We can see that Lead Sniper actually has informed them that they've made 163,000 conversions. That's over 39% plus clicks, and they've created 900 videos. Now, PU Prime, one of the biggest brokers in the Forex CFD industry, as a broker, they've got 660 million views, 1.6 million clicks, and 2.66 CVR. Now, fulfillment services have 180% conversion, plus 28% clicks, and 500 videos have been created. Now, the reviews are all over on Trustpilot. You can go over there, double check them all for yourself. But let me show you that social media account I was telling you about. This is Stoic FX official, okay? 12.4k followers. Now, as we go down, you can see some of the videos. For example, this one over here, this is from the UGC team. They have full access to this, creating them, doing every single one, and you can see that the brand is on point. You know that the red and black, if you see this on your timeline, you know that it's Stoic FX. Right now, obviously, if this is something that you're looking forward to and something that you think will benefit from either your brand, business, or even your personal profile, then simply click on contact now. It will redirect you and you can go through all of this, whether it's your monthly advertising spend, where do you hear about us, a little short message at the bottom. All the links will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence and get involved, get ahead of the game, and use AI and human interaction to boost your brand today. Right now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.